In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Outlook application icon missing from the Windows taskbar. This is a common issue that many users face, and it can be quite inconvenient if you're among those who frequently access your Outlook for emails and calendar management. Fortunately, rectifying this problem is quite simple and requires just a few straightforward steps. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to start by clicking on your Start menu. The Start menu is generally located in the bottom left corner of your screen, and clicking it will open a menu with a variety of options and a search bar. Once you have the Start menu open, go ahead and type Outlook into the search bar. As you start typing, you will see suggestions pop up, and Outlook should appear in the list of search results. After locating Outlook, the next step is to open it. You can do this by either clicking directly on the Outlook application from the search results or pressing the Enter key on your keyboard. Launching Outlook should cause the application's icon to appear temporarily on your taskbar, which runs along the bottom of your desktop screen. Now that you have the Outlook icon displayed on your taskbar, we want to ensure that it stays there permanently, so you don't have to repeat this process every time you want quick access to Outlook. To do this, hover your mouse cursor over the Outlook icon on the taskbar. Then, right-click on this icon. A context menu will pop up with several options. From these options, you'll want to click on Pin to Taskbar. This simple action will anchor the Outlook icon to your taskbar, creating a permanent shortcut. Now let's recap. We began by opening the Start menu and searching for Outlook, then opening the application directly from the search results. Once Outlook was open, its icon appeared on the taskbar, and we right-clicked on it. By choosing to pin it to the taskbar, we ensured that it will remain there permanently, providing you immediate access whenever you need it. This little trick is not only effective for fixing the Outlook icon, but it is also a useful tool for pinning other applications you frequently use. It can help streamline your workflow, making your essential applications accessible with a single click. If you followed along, your Outlook icon should now be securely in place on your taskbar, ready for you to use. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully this step-by-step guide has helped simplify your taskbar navigation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and solutions.